16 of intraday backtesting. So today's date is 1st September. So today we made 76 points profit. Let me share the analysis with you guys. So this is a bank nifty chart of 1 hour time frame. So yesterday it closed around here. So today there was a slight gap up opening and it was bearish till the day end. You can see this. Even till that closing the candle was so bearish. Similarly, Nifty 50 made again a new high around 17,200 mark. So let's move into 1 minute time frame. So this was the setup. So today, once the Nifty opened a gap up, Bank Nifty opened a gap up. There was like 150 points gap up opening, 120 points. Just Nifty rallied all the way bullish, that within the short frame. Like Nifty rallied almost 475 points in just 1 hour of the session. So I just waited for some recovery so that I can trade. So first I took the trade. By the way, I took the trade after this breakdown. Just see this breakdown. Firstly, it was quite kind of head and shoulder pattern, reverse head and shoulder pattern, and there was a breakdown. And there was also a breakdown, but I didn't took trade. I just waited for some more confirmation. All because my take my stop loss would, if I have taken trade here, my stop loss would be somewhere around this area, right, which is almost 200 points. So just waited for a good entry with nice RR. So firstly this breakdown happened, and secondly I drawn another trend line somewhere here, and this was also broken out here, right? So yesterday we had our institutions play the game, so I just waited for the retracement today. Once it got brokered, I didn't take trade. I just waited for some more confirmation. So for that confirmation, I just draw a Fib rejection point, and so if I just draw a Fib rejection from top to bottom, so if I draw a Fib rejection, you can clearly see this area 0.32% rejection, right? This area. So I took trade after this rejection. Also this trend line broke down, so I just waited for some retracement and let this break. So I just took trade around here 11:24. So I could have there was a gap up, right? I could have kept my take profit somewhere here or below this support line, but I didn't keep there. The reason is it's almost like 250 points. If you see from here to gap, it's almost like 260 points. 260 points on a single stretch is definitely not possible until there is quite good amount of momentum. So I didn't keep my uh, take profit there. So our target asset by 12. So mine was, I kept somewhere around this area, this zone, because this is where the first supply demand zone was. So I just kept my take profit here. Okay, and 75 points. By the way, the RR was also great. I just kept below this line somewhere here, yeah, 75 points, which is perfect for the setup, and I just got profit in this trade. By the way, at the same time, Nifty, let me see how Nifty was looking. Mm, Nifty 50 didn't support at all in the morning stage. If you see Nifty 50, where the bank was almost gone for like 450 points, the Nifty has stretched only like 80 points, 70 points, just far below. So 1124, yeah, somewhere around this area. I was, I just saw this setup. It was just a simple breakdown and got retrace, and this gap got filled. So there's nothing much but about Nifty 50. I was sure about this trade, and that's it, guys. And I just trailed my stop loss, so I will show in this futures chart. This area 35 was acting as strong support. What I did is, since we don't keep 75 points stop loss, I just drilled all the way to here around 8 not 1, this area around 8 not 1. The candle, this candle came close almost like 797 points, and then it just took our target. So that's it, guys. And I just draw a few. I didn't take trade, but I was just um, simply drawing the trend lines and seeing whether the breakout is legit. So if you see, I just drawn this support area. This is resistance area. This is the high it made. So there was a small breakdown. This is just for the example, guys. I didn't take this trade. So this got breakdown and did not retest at all. It just went all the way. It is a long stretch. So it's quite similar to yesterday's trade, right? If you see, this was acting as resistance zone, and if you see, this was acting as a resistance zone. This filled with some good volume, and then the sell-off came, and the sell-off was like huge. You can see. So and I just draw another trend line here. This broke all the way, and even this support in the morning, which also got broke at the later evening. You see, one, two, three times it have supported. Fourth time it got failed, and it just closed here. So let's wait, guys. Maybe there will be some kind of this gap. Definitely, this gap should be filled. This gap. So I think the gap filling might be. We can expect the gap filling tomorrow. So that's it, guys. Thank you.